Crusher here. Gonna be showing you my my new slime truck spare flat tire repair. It's like a little kit. All it is pretty much has a thing of green slime in it, but it's really what I bought it for is because it's a compressor with a light, and it said it's for you know, trucks. I don't know if it's good enough for my 38, but my 38s at full PSI they're only at 20. I know the volume is different, but it's still gonna at least get me to at least 10-15 pounds of air within 5 minutes, I'm gonna say. Gonna give you a little demo, show you how it comes. I bought it for 60 bucks at Walmart. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like inside. Check it out. Alright guys, gonna open it up for y'all. Just slides right out. There's the box. Comes with a bag. Yes, awesome. Comes with the bag. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see right there. This is the actual compressor. It comes with a bunch of valves, caps. You can air up a soccer ball or a football if you needed to, and it comes with extra little valves for your when you air up your tires. So if you lose one or one's messed up, you can actually replace it with that. This is the bottle of green slime it give you. Tire sealer prevents repairs, and there's the hose. There's the cords. Alright, here's the cord. Here's the actual compressor. And the actual compressor, pretty good. There's a little 3 LED lights. There's an on and off switch for the light and the thing. Pretty awesome. Pretty cool. And this thing has a little threaded end. You could thread it onto the tire to air it up, so you don't have to sit there and hold it. This is the little adapter. You plug in. Let me show you real quick. This is the car adapter. You plug this into here, and then you attach this to the battery. Pretty awesome. Gonna try that out in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna be putting some of the green slime inside there on the passenger front tire because it always comes low, and showing you all the kit that I got. This is the key to pull out the valve. Gonna pull it out. You're gonna see all the air come out of my front tire real quick, and then I'm gonna fill it up full of the green slime. Cool. Alright, before I let the air out, I'm gonna put the truck on top of my jack stand that I have, so not all the weight is on top of the tire, and it'll be a little bit easier and faster to air up, guys. You know, this is a little compressor. This is a big old heavy truck on 38 or 39.5, so gonna be using this. For a normal car or something, you probably don't need to, but I'm gonna use this for my truck. Alright guys, I got most of it in there. I kind of rolled it to squeeze it all in there. I got a little bit left. Alright, just airing it up now. Has a little gauge on top of it. Gonna put it around 10 psi, and that'll be more than enough. Sorry, I don't have a good macro cam, but right here my finger pointing, that's 30, so that's 10, that's 20. There's 2 lines. You can probably stop it at 15, 10, 15, it'll be enough. I'm just gonna air down when I get back, when I get you off roading. But I'm gonna see how long it takes to get to at least 10 psi, guys, and I'll get back to y'all, okay? I'm gonna be timing it. Alright, been about 4 minutes, and on the gauge it says 10 psi. I'm gonna check it with the actual gauge and see what we got, guys. It's been about close 4 minutes and 42 seconds right now. Might as well let it go to 5. Give it 10 more seconds, and then we'll see where we're at. Alright guys, that's been 5 minutes. This hole right here is pretty cool, but this hole right here is hot. Super hot. Shoot, we got more than 10. They got close to 20 psi in there right now. Maybe I'm reading that gauge wrong. Just one more time. I got 13 psi. Heck yeah, dude. I got 13 pounds of air in there in about 5 minutes, guys. That's freaking awesome. That's all I need. Not driving this sucker on the street. Max PSI is 20. So you say another 5 minutes and you have 20 pounds of air in there already. And that's awesome for a $60 little compressor. Good little trail fix. Not gonna be using it to air up the tires up and down all the time, but it's just a little trail fix. Pretty cool, guys. I'm really happy with it. Just got to drive the truck around, get the green slime on inside the tire, and then we'll be good to go, guys. Alright, man. Catch y'all later.